Mastering 4H and 4L modes for off-road adventures.
Hello, off-roaders. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the proper use of 4H and 4L modes in your off-road vehicle. Understanding when and how to use these modes can make your off-road experience safer and more enjoyable. Let's start exploring.
What are 4H and 4L modes?
First things first, let's understand what these modes are. 4H, 4 high, and 4L, 4 low, are settings on your vehicle's transfer case that engage all 4 wheels for maximum traction. The difference between these modes lies in the gear ratios they use. 4H, 4 high, mode gives your vehicle more speed but less torque. It's designed for driving at normal speeds on slippery surfaces or light off-roading. 4L, 4 low, mode provides less speed but more torque. It's for slow speed, heavy-duty, off-road situations where you need maximum traction and power.
When to use 4H mode?
So, when should you engage 4H mode? Use 4H mode when you need improved traction but still want to drive at normal speeds. This can include conditions like muddy or snowy roads, gravel surfaces, or during light off-roading on relatively flat terrain. Remember, you can usually engage 4H mode while the vehicle is moving, but always refer to your vehicle's manual for specific instructions.
When to use 4L mode?
Moving on to 4L mode. This mode is for when the going gets tough. Use 4L mode for serious off-road situations where you need maximum power and traction but at slow speeds. This can be when you're rock crawling, driving up steep inclines, navigating through deep sand or mud, or towing a heavy load off-road. Typically, you need to stop or slow down to a very low speed to shift into 4L mode, but again, check your vehicle's manual for exact procedures. That's it, folks. Remember, the key to a successful off-road adventure lies in knowing your vehicle well and understanding how to use its features. The 4H and 4L modes are there to help you tackle different terrains and conditions. So go ahead, engage the right mode, and enjoy your journey. As always, stay safe and happy off-roading.